Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in guard with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It is a 4x4 and has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It also has an FX4 off-road package, a chrome appearance package, max trailer tow package, as well as a technology package which includes active park assist. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also power folding mirrors and memory for 3 different driving positions. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LEDs, side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body, and as well you have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so the key's in the pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages are going to appear. As well, you have your menu, my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, and settings, and these all have sub-menus. Up above, you're seeing the B&O branded premium audio system, as well as a bin, and you also have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, 360 split view camera, as well as auto start stop for better fuel economy. And as we push through this, we're going to see the different views, and then we can go back to the menu, go in there, and we can touch on it as you've seen. And in audio you have your sources, and as well we'll turn down the volume, touch on the sources here, and you'll see AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and you can put the vehicle in reverse. You're going to see your backup camera view, and then in your settings you can slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and you have dual climate controls, so you have the controls for heated and cooled seats for both passenger and driver, as well as AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. Down below you're seeing a couple of USB outlets, as well as a bin, and then 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. You have an automatic select shifter that also has drive mode, and when you press this it appears on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport. Then back around again, and then down below there you're seeing a couple of cup holders, and you've got your ambient lighting. You're seeing that white rim there, and it'll light up when it gets a little darker. Your armrest opens up, and inside you have a little bin that you can take out, more storage down below, as well as a 12-volt. Then you close that up. Off to the side is a 12-volt and a 110 outlet, and you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, your universal garage door opener, and there's your lighting controls. You also have a sunglass holder, and this controls that sliding power back window. And then on a nice day like today, let's push the button and open up our moonroof. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome magnetic cab step, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. The backup camera is located just below that handle. You have also backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so with a double click of your fob, and it powers it down for you. You'll notice inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and you also have a tailgate step, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power window and wood grain accents. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. Simply pull the clip and it'll come right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, carpeted mats, as well as all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders, air vents, 110 USB 12-volt, as well as the power buttons that heat the rear seats. Grab handles in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.